Hey kids, are you tired of learning how to use crazy and complicated equipment in your kitchen/dorm room? Ugh, this sucks. Well, say no more with the brand new electric kettle that can boil water in under 30 seconds. Yes, that's right folks, but don't take it from us, take it from these loyal customers.
Kettle right here, you can put some water in it, 30 seconds, that's it, boiling, hot, everything. Throw some rice in there, you get your rice cooked, you feel me? You can even cook some noodles in it, you know, if you're feeling that way. But that's what's up, you feel me? It's cheap, eco-friendly, family friendly. They just do it all the way, I promise you.
Water, it's really good. You should get one. It's got a little button right here, you press it, and it opens it up.
You can cook all kinds of awesome stuff like spaghetti, tea, gnocchi, ramen, potatoes, and even bananas. All right. And instead of wasting time cooking, you can do fun stuff like painting, playing outside. Doesn't that look fun? Doing hardcore parkour.
Whoa, this is some hardcore parkour.
Catch up on the latest news. Buy real estate.
When you have finished, you may hang up or press pound for more options.
Hi, this is Michael Blumenau. I love this piece of land out here. I'm definitely interested. My number is 843-995-1733. Give me a call back.
Go dumpster diving. Find treasure. Radical. Vandalism. You can buy this awesome product at retailers like Walmart, Dollar General, Target, and let's not forget Bath and Beyond.
As you guys can see, this is one amazing product, and you should definitely go get yourselves one. This is Michael Bluen, signing off.